Hey guys, welcome back in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So it feels pretty good to be back. So right now we are we are about to be in December. I took August off. I was not 100% away, but I was not really on the market and definitely not creating content for you guys. So it feels pretty good to be back on work. And yeah, I have quite a lot of ideas as well that I will do on videos eventually and share with you guys. So during my vacation break, I took the time to think about what was the content that I wanted to create, and I think that you guys will really like that, and I think that it will be a lot of value. So I'm pretty excited for the upcoming videos. So today is the first video that I had in mind to do while I was in vacation. And basically the idea of this video is just to explain you guys what did I do during my vacation to manage my trades and make sure that this time away of the market did not really affect my results. Because yes, it's good to take a vacation here and there, but at the same time, I don't want this to affect my trading performance. So I want to make sure that everything is still running smoothly, even if I'm not really on the market. So that's basically what we will talk about in today's video. So just before that we start, as always guys, please leave a like under the video. I know I always say that, but it just helps me grow the channel more. And I would just really appreciate it. And also make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any new videos coming out in the future. Alright, so what did I do during my vacation to manage my trades? Well, first of all, as you guys know, I am more kind of a medium to long-term trader. So naturally, even in my day-to-day life as a trader, I don't need to be in front of the charts as much as other people. I can look at the charts maybe 5, 10, 20 minutes per day, maybe a bit more if there is something happening, but I don't need to really be on the market so much because I trade more medium to long-term. So from the basis of it, my trading style allows me to not have to always be in front of the chart. And so that is the first point that I want to bring on, but that is really important. So if you trade, let's say short term, if you are a day trader, of course, taking 1 month away from the market, you will just not really have any trades. So you might miss a lot of good opportunities. Whereas my trading is already set up so that I can take these moments away from the market if I actually want to. So that's a big, advantage of being more kind of a medium to long-term type of trader. But to me, that's really important to kind of talk about in this video, because everything has to be kind of well managed right from the start if you want to be able to have this time freedom as being a trader. And so in this video, what I also want to talk about is basically how to not be stressed and how to not be anxious during these situations. So during my vacation, during August, sorry, I had about 5 trades open, okay? Right now, I still have these 5 trades open. I think I might even have a trade that just triggered before recording the video. So I might actually have 6 trades open right now. I'll have to check after, but I have quite a few positions open. And so as you guys can see, just right now, I don't really need to look at the charts and be in front of the market and see what's going on. I can just let my trades run. And so that's what I mean. Everything has to be well managed and well structured right from the start. And that in itself will give you the time freedom. So it's not about, trading and then taking away time off of the charts. It's more about trading, doing it right, which allows you to take time off of the markets, and it does not impact your results because right from the start it is well done. So that's kind of the idea. And so, as I said, I had 5 positions so during my vacation, and I still have these positions. So how am I not stressed, right? How am I not anxious? Because I guarantee you that for a lot of you guys, if you had 5 trades open right now and I tell you to not even look at them, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys would be stressed out. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys will always think about these trades and be anxious, right? Let me know in the comment section below if that's how you would feel. And if that's the case, then, what I'm about to say is really important for you. So, how to not be anxious when you have so many trades, right? Well, the idea is that you need to, I would say, live in the present moment. Now, I know that sounds silly, that sounds very simple, but I'm telling you that really works. You need to live in the present moment. So if you look at your trades right now, or if I look at my trades right now, do I need to look at them in order for them to work well? No, I don't, right? I have the trade on the market, I have my stop loss. So in the worst case scenario, if the price goes down and reach my stop loss, I'm out of the trade. But I already had a stop loss on the market, so I don't need to look at it. I don't need to be in front of the chart. It will just happen automatically. If not, if it goes in my direction and if it keeps going up, well, that's good as well, but I don't need to be there neither. I'm just going to let it run until that the trend is over. So, that's why everything kind of works together. And, trading is very much a harmony, right? Like everything has to be synchronized the same way in order for things to be good. So if you have a good trading style, if everything is well set up, this gives you time freedom, and this will allow you to not be stressed and not be anxious during your trading. And so when you stay in the present moment, you realize that you don't really need to manage your trades if you have the trading style that allows you to trade like that. And then it does not impact your results, and it allows you to do basically other things without really impacting your performance, or even being stressed out or being anxious or things like that. So to me, that's really important, and the reason why I thought of starting this other half of the year, let's put it that way, with this video is because that is really one of the main points I think of my trading success, is that I'm never anxious about my trades, I'm never stressed out, and that means that I never make any emotional decision. I'm a very calm person by nature. I don't go crazy, right? Like I don't always scream and all that stuff, right? So I'm pretty calm by nature. And I stay like that in trading, and it does not, I don't have my emotions that come in play. And so once again, it's because everything is kind of structured around that idea. So I would say that if for some of you guys you are trading right now and eventually you would like to get in the position where you can take a month away from the market and it does not impact your results, I would say that you can start right now to improve your trading in itself and to make it work so that you don't need to be in front of the chart. So how to do this, right? Well, you can start trading on higher time frames, or you can, as I said, work on your psychology so that you kind of realize that you don't need to be in front of the charts and just let things run by themselves. And so you can take the next few months, right, to work on that. And if you do this right, well, you might be able to take, for example, the whole month of December away, right? So during Christmas, during the New Year, you could say, okay, let's just not look at the market so much. Let's just live my life and enjoy my time. And that's probably what I will do as well. So I don't think that during December, I will be very active on the market. And as I said, this will not affect my performance. So, make sure that everything is kind of working together. And I guarantee you guys that this in itself helps you to get good results, because trading, it's kind of like a circle that repeats itself. So if you have a good trading style, it gives you good results. It allows you to take time away from the market, and you just kind of repeat this idea and it just works together. But if something is broken within this circle, it's obviously not really going to work and not going to give you the results that you want. So that's kind of the idea. So I will keep it there. I think I said everything I had to say, straight to the point as we like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you kind of got the perspective that I wanted to share in this video. And as I said, the way to get value out of this video is to actually apply the tips I just gave you guys in your trading, so that eventually you can get this time freedom and be able to trade without any stress and without any anxiety. That's basically the idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, if you did, please leave a like under it and make sure you share it around as well. And yeah, so on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.